Look at that. Look at the road, my nigga. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's not road.
Look at the water. That's the road. Shit. Oh, cuz. What are you doing? Okay, he said no waves, my nigga. He said no waves. He said no. Hey, look. Look, we going to the side of this shit. Shit. I like the little slow motion.
Still making waves?
Yeah, we still making waves. Damn, it looks so easy in the movies, you know? The Colombian dude goes and he fucking gets the shit and everybody's just like, you know? Maybe it's just these boats. It is kind of raggedy. The kayakers.
It is raggedy. Because that's the boat.
Exactly. This shit was made the year I was born. Did you look at the road ahead of you? So how do you know it dips? And why are all the boats over there and we're on this one? Oh, because that's for sailboats? Oh, okay, this is for power boats and that's for sailboats. Or we could be on both sides. Are those seagulls?
Where?
Up there on the rocks. Let's zoom in.
Where?
Up on the rocks. Yeah, those are seagulls, huh? Calm down with the speed, nigga.